Hey Moon Babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be about the big red braid that I did last year for my red wig review that you guys absolutely loved. I'm finally getting to that video. I know it's taken forever and a day, but it's finally here. So let's jump on into it. First thing I'm doing is detangling my wig with my wig brush. Now, if you've never had a wig brush, it is a brush with wire combs on it or wire teeth on it. So it's really, really harsh and it's specifically for synthetic wigs. So never, ever, ever use this brush on your human hair. You will literally strip the hair off. And I'm just getting out any tangles that I've left in there. Not even that if I've left it in, that I've literally left in there since last year. So I'm just getting those out, and make sure that you go all around the world with this wig, getting all those naps, and really pay attention to those ends. After that, I'm going to section the hair down the middle. Now, I did this with the tail end of my brush, but you can do this with a comb to be more accurate. And this is just to help me see the little bit of scalp when the braid is up. That's just how I personally like it. You don't absolutely have to do it. Okay, now that I have my middle part, I'm going to go right over to the side and make a part and then flip that hair over. This is the hair that we're going to be braiding, so try and keep it as neat as possible. Comb it through if you see it getting detangled. Make sure you don't take any of your ear flap hairs. You're gonna need that to disguise the braid, and make sure any lace poking around can be camouflaged. Okay, now that we have our hair nicely parted, you can see where my ear tab is hiding my extra lace, or where I'll be having the hair. So my ear will be right in between those two pieces, and I have the hair in the front for the lace, and I have hair in the back in case any of the lace is poking out. Remember to use that brush to keep everything nice and neat. Okay, and this is how I braid the hair. I'm not a neat braider. I'm not even a really good braider. I just learned from YouTube videos, so I'm just like you guys. Nothing special or anything amazing. I'm really bad at braiding, so if you're bad at braiding, you can still do this hairstyle. And I'm just going to start braiding, going to the side. I'm only grabbing hair from the lace part of the wig. I'm not grabbing any of the hair from the back. And that's it. Easy peasy, nothing to it but to do it. Make sure you keep the hair as neat as possible. Use the wire brush if you need it, or a comb if you don't have one. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is the fun part. Now that the wig is done, we can start fluffing the braid, which is basically just kind of slightly taking the braid apart and just fluffing it and making it all fat and messy. How messy you want it or how neat you want it is up to you. I personally like it on the messier side. I'd actually would do it a little bit messier than this, but I didn't want it to be too over the place where you guys would think it looked bad. But you can make it as fluffy as you want it to be. Go crazy. And then you can also put like hair accessories, like those like hair rings I've seen. Those are also like really cute with this style. So in the original video, I never secured the braid around the back, but if you don't want that braid flopping around everywhere, you can wrap it around the back, get an invisible bobby pin, and just secure it down. It took me a while to find a pretty way to secure it, but yeah, you can secure it if you want to, just up to personal preference. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this long overdue video about this big crown braid. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Sis, did you think the video was going to end without you subscribing and watching my other videos? A lie.